Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's explainer. We are taking an absolutely awe-inspiring journey into the ultimate abyss. We're going to break down exactly what the science actually says about the darkest, most mysterious objects in our entire galaxy. So, what would really happen if you fell into a black hole? Well, I want you to imagine you're floating peacefully in deep space, completely alone in the void. You're just hanging out in your spacesuit. Suddenly, this massive black hole appears in the distance. It brings up that ultimate space question, right? What would actually happen if you fell right in? As you drift closer and closer, things start to get weird. The fabric of space itself actually begins to warp around you. You'd witness this unbelievable, extreme gravitational lensing, where the black hole's immense gravity is literally bending the light of distant stars right around it. It's a one-way trip. And that unrelenting gravitational pull, it becomes unbelievably powerful, totally inescapable. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the physical toll this takes on your body. As you fall in feet first, you encounter what we call extreme tidal forces. The gravitational pull on your feet becomes exponentially stronger than the pull on your head. And physicists actually have this wonderfully culinary term for this physical stretching. They call it spaghettification. You are quite literally drawn out into a long, incredibly thin strand of matter. But the intense gravity doesn't just stretch space. According to Einstein's general relativity, it severely warps time as well. Let's move to Clo and see how this builds, because it creates a completely mind-bending shift in reality, and it all depends entirely on where exactly this event is being observed from. Two completely distinct vantage points. And this brilliantly illustrates the contrast. To an outside observer, someone watching you from a safe distance, you wouldn't just vanish. Because extreme gravity slows light, you'd actually appear to slow down, eventually freezing and fading to red, right at the very edge. But from your perspective inside the suit, time ticks completely normally as you plummet continuously, deeper and deeper into the dark. Then comes the event horizon, the ultimate threshold, the point of absolutely no return. But, crossing it isn't some violent, chaotic crash. It's actually a silent, almost imperceptible transition into a region where the laws of physics, at least as we currently understand them, just completely break down. It's truly a moment of pure, majestic cosmic wonder. So, what happens next? What occurs after you cross over into that deep unknown? Do you crash into an infinitely dense singularity? Or, crazy as it sounds, is it a portal to somewhere else entirely? We don't know for sure. It remains one of the absolute biggest mysteries in the entire universe. It's this giant puzzle that theoretical physicists are still desperately trying to solve today. Which leaves us with one final thought to wrap up today's explainer. Knowing the mind-bending physics, the unrelenting gravity, and the total, profound mystery of the event horizon, if given the chance to peer into the ultimate abyss, would you take the leap? Let us know what you do in the comments below, and make sure to follow for more incredible space facts.